NSL Textiles. What started as a seed company in 1972 has today grown into the billion-dollar NSL Group, with presence across seeds, cotton, textiles, sugars, infratech, and power industries. Of these, NSL Textiles is one of the most successful and fast-growing companies in the NSL Group. This is what our chairman had to say about this innovative and progressive company.
So, NSL Textiles is a story, as per the tagline, cotton to clothing. So, we have set up the entire manufacturing amidst the cotton growing area of Guntur, where very fine quality cotton is produced. We are the first company to do so in Andhra Pradesh, and probably South India now. I think we are the biggest in terms of a fully integrated unit. There might be bigger in other aspects, but if you look at the total value chain, presence in the total value chain, NSL Textiles I think would come in the forefront. The features of the process unit are quite unique. We have the state-of-the-art machines. We have the best-in-class laboratory and facility for yardages, facility for sample development, and also for various aspects of value addition in the process.
At NSL Textiles, we believe that the basis for good yarn quality lies in the cotton seed that is used. Hence, we ensure that high-quality seed is provided to the farmer. After the cotton is procured, it is ginned in NSL ginneries to ensure high-quality lint from the cotton. Special care is also taken to minimize contamination. NSL produces more than 80 tons of high-quality yarn per day. It has state-of-the-art machinery and has plants spread across 5 locations. A whole range of yarn, single, double counts are produced and supplied to clients not only in India but also in other countries like Korea, China, Italy, etc. To cater to the rising demand for NSL yarn, our spinning capacity is expanding every year. In a span of 8 years, our spinning capacity has grown to 2.84 lakh spindles.
At NSL, we are very passionate about textiles. For this purpose, we had set up a world-class manufacturing facility. Our focus is also on quality of the product.
NSL has identified the yarn dyeing business as a key area for growth. We have one of the largest yarn dyeing facilities in India and can dye up to 20 metric tons per day. The key to success in yarn dyeing is the precision wound packages. NSL has the latest SSM winders to ensure uniform density in all the dye packages. Our yarn dyeing facility has vessels of varying capacity from 3 kgs to 1,450 kgs to ensure a high level of flexibility to handle diverse market needs. The setup has fully automated machines from Loris Bellini and Fongs, and the dye kitchen is totally automated and requires minimal manual intervention. To minimize handling and damage to the wet cheeses, RF dryers from Stellum are used.
NSL has set up one of the largest integrated textile complexes in India, consisting of yarn dyeing, weaving and processing. We manufacture a range of products catering to the dress materials, shirtings, bottom wears, lycra and various other products. Our aim is to supply good quality product, on-time delivery and provide an excellent services to the customer.
The dyed yarn is then rewound on sophisticated rewinders and converted into beams on Gammatex sectional warpers. NSL is an environmentally conscious group and hence uses only natural starch-based materials in its sizing applications. NSL has a large capacity for dyed yarn weaving at two locations, namely Chandol and in Kollu. The super speed looms at both locations not only weave a huge output of more than 60,000 meters per day, but also produce defect-free fabric. Similar to our yarn dyeing, the weaving division also allows a high degree of flexibility in terms of dobby, double beam, multicolor weft insertions, different reed width and a basket of rapier and airjet looms. NSL has identified a growing demand for high-quality processed fabric, not only for export but within India, especially from the ever-increasing middle class. To meet this demand, NSL has set up a most modern process house with a capacity of 150,000 meters per day. The process house has coaster preparatory machines which can handle fabric as light as 100 GSM to as high as 500 GSM. In addition to this, a chain mercerizer by Goller ensures handling of fabric prone to excessive shrinkage. This setup ensures that a consistent quality fabric is sent to the dyeing and printing sections. Lighter shades to deep dark shades can be handled at the dyeing section, which has E-controlled Montfort and hydraulic jiggers from Coaster. NSL offers multicolor printed fabric from its latest Stovac RD4 printing machine. Sharp features, graded effects, tight-fitting designs can all be handled using laser engraving machines and with an able team managing the department. A range of finishes, which has been developed by NSL, is consistently being supplied to the customers. Apart from the chemical finishes, several mechanical finishes are supplied to customers using Laffer and Biancaloni machines, thus meeting the demand of the market.
We also have the facility for mechanical finishing, brushing, pitching, calendering. Our aim is to become a preferred supplier for our customers and a top of the mind record.
NSL believes quality is the outcome of systems, stage-wise efforts and controls. And in keeping with this, we have developed a quality assurance system across the manufacturing stages. It has online process control in yarn dyeing, weaving, as well as processing to minimize damages. Apart from process control, a two-stage inspection, first at grey and second at finish, ensures that customers get the right quality product. A full-fledged lab for testing fabrics, shade matching and checking supports these efforts. Quality assurance ensures that all the quality parameters are met before the fabric is dispatched to the customers.
Quality at NSL is the key for success.
NSL has created a mini mill at Chandol to cater to the customer requirements of desk looms, yardages and strike-offs. The 12 computerized Taiwan desk looms generate more than 80 desk looms per day, thereby meeting the desk loom requirements within 7 days. The sample warpers, along with a single-end sizing machine, produce about 15 yardages per day. Strike-offs are supplied within 7 days. NSL has invested more than 2.5 million rupees to provide up-to-date services to our customers. NSL has a full-fledged design studio at Hyderabad to innovate and develop new designs based on market trends. We have installed the latest Penelope software and have hired an expert Italian designer to support our young and talented team of designers. The latest trends in the market are translated into mini garments and presented to our customers for selection. Many of the designs selected by customers today are from the design collections made by the NSL team.
We do design servicing for our clients. We have an international design consultant from Italy, Matteo Valarsha, who is an instrumental in developing NSL seasonal collection for spring, summer and fall, winter.
NSL, having started as a seed company, is conscious about its role and responsibility towards the environment. NSL has a zero discharge plant wherein more than 90% of water is recycled and used. NSL uses paddy husk as fuel for the boiler, thereby creating a win-win situation for the local community, apart from ensuring a cleaner environment. NSL factories are situated mainly in the villages of Andhra Pradesh. Be it in Kollu, Chandol or any other location, the local people, predominantly farmers, are recruited and then trained systematically to embrace our industry culture. They are taught technical skills as well as personality development. The managerial team at NSL comprises of talent chosen from the best in the industry, and the team is regularly trained and updated with current trends in the market. They also form a part of the strategy formulations at the plant. An experienced marketing team handles all the customer's requirements and ensures our goal of customer delight. So, when it comes to creating high-quality garments, from cotton seed to the final fabric, look no further than NSL Textiles. NSL Textiles, cotton to clothing.